Hi, I am Roxana from WPResidence, and in this video I will show how to use Elementor plugin to build a header section with a contact form for your landing page in WPResidence theme. The homepage that I selected as an example is the homepage from the single agent demo. In this video I will show how to create the header section of the page. The first step that I will take is to go to Admin, Pages, and add a new page. I will add a title. Next I will set the page to not show a title. And I will set the page to not have a header, since I will create the header section with Elementor plugin, and also to not show a sidebar. I will publish the page and press Edit with Elementor. This is the empty page where I will recreate this entire page. First, I will start with the header section. These are the elements that I will recreate. The first step is to add a new section. I will select a section with 2 columns. I will make the settings for the section. I will set to have no gap between columns. I will set the line to be in the middle. And I will enable the stretch section option. From style, I will set a background image. I will select the image from media, but you can select it from your device. I will set a color. I will leave the position to be the default one. I will set here scroll. I will set it to not repeat and set the image to cover. Next, for the background overlay, I will select a background color. I will change the opacity of this color. I will go to Advanced, and here I will set padding. To be able to add only a value for padding top, I will disable the option to link values together and set the value to be a percentage. I will add here the value. For motion effects, I will set fade in and with slow animation duration. These are the settings for the section. Now I will make the settings for the columns. To be able to see better the elements that I add, I will enable Navigator. Here you will see all the sections that you will add and you will have easier access. For the first column, I will add text and an image, this text and this image. So first I will add the heading widget and the image widget. I will start making the settings for the column first. I will set the column width and the vertical align to be in the middle and the horizontal one to be in center. Next I will go to heading. First I will change the text. I will add it here. I will change the HTML tag and the alignment. I will go to style. Here I will set the color of the text. I will edit the text settings. Next I will go to Advanced. I will set margin values. From positioning, I will set the position to be absolute. Now I will start setting the image widget. I will select an image. I will set the size to be full. I will set alignment to left. I will go to Advanced, set the index value and go to positioning. Leave width to default and change position to absolute. I will change these values. I am done with the first column. I will go to the second column. I will set here vertical align to middle, horizontal align to center. In style, I will select a background color. In advanced, I will select margin and padding. The column settings are done. Now I will add a heading widget and the WPResidence contact form. I will add heading and the contact form. Now I will set the heading widget. I will add the text. Go to style to set the text settings. I will change the color. Change the text family, size, and the other settings. In advanced, I will set a margin bottom value. Next, I will set the WPResidence contact form widget. I will set the text to align to left. I will set the colors. The header section is done. I will save the changes I made so far. To have the demo exact view, I will need to go to the back end of the page and set the header to be transparent. To remove the blank space between top bar and header section, you need to go to Advanced Settings for the section and add a margin top value. This wraps our video. Thank you for watching and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get instant notification on new videos.